you can do the same if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to study marketing, if you find a product that you actually would purchase. That is always going to be the game changer when it comes to everything, is sending products, working with products that actually appeal to your own self-interest.
For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Hello, what's going on, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miguel, and on this channel I like to talk about all things business, self-development related, life related, email marketing, sales funnels, all sort of things like that. And in this video I am going to talk to you about affiliate marketing and basically just say what it is, because not a lot of people are looking at this as an avenue to go down, but in reality it could be a very profitable one, at least a way to get your feet started. I know that there are a lot of people who build their businesses off the basis of just affiliate marketing. All they want to do is do some affiliate marketing, find other successful products and help them make money, and then they get a piece in return. And in and of itself, that is essentially what it is. But I will explain it in further detail. Affiliate marketing. What is an affiliate? Basically, what affiliate marketing is you're acting like a salesman for a product that isn't yours, and in exchange for doing that, in exchange for going out and finding people who can purchase a product, you get a commission in return. And this can get pretty lucrative depending on the amount of commissions that you get. But what makes this so amazing is that you don't have to do the work of finding very good products. You don't have to create any sort of products, although I believe that you should. And you don't have to actually go about being like the face of something or even being an expert in something. You are able to find someone else who is good at something and you pay for traffic. All you have to do is get the right people to see this offer that someone else put together, and as long as they're buying, you also make money in return. Some places that you can find affiliate offers, well, at least one place that I know is ClickBank, but there's various other sources out there, but the number one that I know is ClickBank. I think another one's called like JVZoo or something like that, but I'm not sure. And if you don't know what a JV is, it's an affiliate basically. So I guess the reason why a lot of people don't actually try to do affiliate marketing, stuff like that, is because not a lot of people are in a position where they feel like they can actually do that, because the only way that you can actually make this work is if you yourself have a platform and you are able to send your people to that product, which is why you see a lot of people with large followings on Instagram or YouTube. You'll see them promote other companies' products, and the reason they do that is because they are acting as an affiliate. They're saying, hey, go get this product and you'll love it, I love it, and as long as you go there and you click their link or you use their code, something like that, then they'll go ahead and get commission for those products. Now, this obviously only works in that case is if they are actually fans of the product. So you'll see on this channel, if it's not on this channel already, you're going to see it eventually, is this book called Ethic. I am currently in the process of getting an affiliate code from this company because I use their product every single day. It's sort of a productivity book where you write down your goals and you write down what you're going to do for the week, and it keeps you on track. And because I use this product all the time, because I found it very beneficial for my life, and I talk to every single person that I meet about this book, I reached out to the company and asked them for an affiliate code, and you're going to start seeing this book on my channel if it's not on my channel already, because that's how good it is. And if you actually do purchase their product, I get paid for it as well. That's plain affiliate marketing. But if you don't have any sort of base following that you can send people to, then the only other option is to send traffic by buying it through ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, things like that. And that only works if you know what you're doing marketing wise and you're able to make sure that you don't just blow your bank trying to make money through affiliate commissions. So what do you need to be good at in order to make sure that you are good at affiliate marketing? It's going to come down to a few things. The main one being you need to be a good marketer. You need to know how to figure out what a good target audience is. You need to be able to figure out what sort of messaging you need to use. You need to be able to figure out all of these things that are going to put your product or the product that you're marketing in the best limelight. This is where it's going to be even more important on your part. Next, you're going to actually have to be good at creating sales pages. Where a lot of people go wrong is they'll get an affiliate link, and instead of creating their own offer in order to boost up the credibility of the course or the product that they're sending traffic to, what they'll do is they'll just get the affiliate link and just send people to it, and that's it. They'll just hope for the best. They'll hope that they have the conversion rates handled. They can go ahead and convert that traffic. They got it. But the affiliates that stand above the rest are the ones that create their own affiliate offers. They create their own bonuses. They create their own course material that they give for free. They set up their own sales page. They put this whole offer together and they say, hey, if you go buy this product and you come back to me with the receipt, I will go ahead and send you all of this free course material and you can have this with it as well. This is what makes a very good affiliate offer, and if you do this, not only will you stand above the rest, but you will make more money than the rest. And if the people who own that product, if they see that you are making them a ton of money, they will try and do whatever they can to help you, to get in touch with you, to figure out what the hell it is that you're doing and how they can put you in a position to succeed even more. And lastly, if you don't have an audience that you can already leverage in order to create affiliate offers, then you're going to need to get good at paid traffic. This is how you're going to get people there, or maybe you can find other people who already have the traffic and convince them to let you set up an offer for them. There's various ways you can go about doing this, but above all, you need to make sure that you have a very good affiliate offer and you can get the right people to see it. This isn't something that you can start with no money. You're going to need to be able to have money in order to do this in some way, form, or fashion if you don't have an audience. If you don't have an audience, you're going to need some money in the bank account that you can put towards paid ads, influencer ads, anything like that, so that you can send traffic to these pages. So that is affiliate marketing. This is how tons of people are making money without having to create their own products, and you can do the same if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to study marketing, if you find a product that you actually would purchase. That is always going to be the game changer when it comes to everything, is sending products, working with products that actually appeal to your own self-interest. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it valuable, I ask that you click that subscribe button below, hit the like button, and if there's anything else you would like to learn, just leave a comment below, let me know what it is, and I'll go ahead and make videos about it. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video one more time, and until next time, peace.